Bible and Quran?
The Bible is, I guess, the Old Testament and the New Testament together. The Gospel of Jesus is in the Bible, as is the Torah of Jesus, correct? And so for us, the Bible is the Word of God in its original, intact entity. So Muslims don't believe that that book today is in its original, intact entity. Many books have added, changed from different churches and civilizations that the book went through. But for them, the Quran is the living Word of God, verbatim. It's not a testament. And when you read the Quran, you'll find that God speaks to us kind of in first person. And so they memorize it by heart, and that's how they protect it. They don't need books. The whole book's been memorized by millions of people. Just look it up in the world's getting book forever. Yeah.
Are there any sacred animals in Islam?
No, we don't have any sacred animals. All animals were created for us, for our pleasure and our use. Dinosaurs were even created for us. What would dinosaurs provide us with? Yes, as do all the fish in the sea that died, they also provide us with fuel. So all of the things that we created in this earth are for us. The whole universe is created for us. It's not selfish, but it's nothing in God's creation. I mean, our universe is like nothing. There's probably tons of space that we still don't know about. But it's all created for us to know, to explore. So we don't have any sacred animals. We eat all animals as long as they don't eat other animals. So no carnivores are allowed. And we eat anything from the sea. Anything that originates from the sea. We don't eat pigs or dogs or cats or anything like that. Is that your question?
Yeah, why don't we eat pig?
Have you seen what pigs eat? They'll eat anything. Actually, the pigs in Vegas are fed all buffets every night. Yep, it's on the Food Channel. They take all buffets and then they make it into sludge, they boil it, and they feed it to all the pigs. So they're basically carnivores because 50% of those buffets are other pigs. The pig is mentioned in the Old Testament as well as in the Quran, not to be. And if you watch, what's his name, that one preacher? What's his name? Jostein? Yeah, he also tells all Christians to eat pigs because they're very unhealthy animals. Yes.
I don't understand the basis for halal or keeping
Halal?
Is it just the dietary requirements of the
Halal in Arabic means good.
Alright.
Oh, that's what the word means. It means good, like kosher. The same. Kosher is a lot more strict than halal. Kosher has other rules like you can't eat the backside of the cow or the animal. You can't eat the meat that touches the fat of the animal and so on. For Muslims, halal just means that the animal was sacrificed in a humane way, which is considered cutting the throat all the way through until it bleeds to death. That is the most humane way to kill an animal. Whether you think it looks sloppy or bloody, people have been killing animals for 60,000 years of that. Not until recently in the animal farms, they've been hanging animals upside down, hitting them in the head, and then pulling out their heart while it beats, so that they preserve the blood inside the animal. It's a very inhumane way. Plus, all the animals see each other die. So in Islam, there's very strict rules. Animals not supposed to see nothing die, you're supposed to be humane, lay it down, cut its neck, and it's supposed to release its soul to God. Because it's made for us, but there's a certain way of treating animals, raising them, and then killing them in order for it to be halal. And you're supposed to feed it good food. A lot of animals today are fed ground up pig parts, believe it or not. 95% of cows are fed that kind of feed. So there's all this that involves what halal is, but it's very simple. It's just food that you sacrifice. And you can eat the whole cow if you want, because we don't have any specific parts that we want to eat. Or the lamb, just not pigs. And the funniest thing is I saw halal fish. I'm like, what's a halal fish? Anything from the sea can be eaten. You just pull it out of the sea and eat it. You don't have to sacrifice a fish.
Only about 5 minutes left.